Under smiling clouds and gentle rain, Azora and Ameerah play, their laughter echoing through the whimsical scene. With umbrellas overhead, Azora and Ameerah splash joyfully in puddles, their giggles mingling with the soft patter of rain. Cute cartoon frogs join the sisters, hopping through the puddles, adding to the magical atmosphere. Azora and Ameerah dance joyfully beside a tiny, rain-kissed pond, their laughter echoing through the enchanted forest. A chorus of ribbit ribbit fills the air as cute cartoon frogs join the dance, their tiny bodies hopping with glee. Giggling, Azora and Ameerah's laughter mingles with the frogs' cheerful croaks, creating a symphony of pure, unadulterated joy. The forest floor, adorned with wet leaves and vibrant mushrooms, transforms into a magical dance floor, alive with wonder and delight. The rain stops, and a huge, colorful rainbow arches across the sky, captivating Azora and Ameerah. The ground glistens with moisture, each raindrop clinging to the flowers as the sky brightens. The moment feels magical, like the dreamy conclusion of a beloved storybook.